Long meetings eating up your time? Struggling to choose the right template for your team? Finding it hard to reach a final solution in your meetings? Hi, I'm Michelle. Today I'll guide you through some tips on how to run an effective retrospective meeting, and AgileBox's retrospective meeting might be your solution. Tip 1. Set a consistent frequency. Establish a consistent schedule for your retrospectives, like holding them monthly. This gives your team enough time to implement meaningful changes and see real improvements. In AgileBox, you can easily set meeting in Jira, not just that we also offer lots of templates for your team. Tip 2. Select a simple retro format. Each template aligns with your team's specific goals. It's essential to identify your team's needs and objectives for the retrospective. Some teams may struggle with workflow inefficiencies, while others need to focus on skill development or managing team size and dynamics. SWOT template. An ideal for strategic planning, identifying areas for improvement, and making informed decisions about future actions. Example: after a major project, use the SWOT template to evaluate what your team did well, where they struggled, potential opportunities for growth, and external threats that could affect future work. DACI template. This focus on actionable outcomes. It's great for evaluating specific practices. Help to decide what to stop doing, what to start, what to maintain, and what needs enhancement. Or you can use energy level template. It helps in understanding how the team feels at different stages and in addressing any dips in energy. Next, tip number 3, follow a structured agenda. Begin by allowing team members to reflect individually on what went well and areas that need improvement. Encourage them to write down their thoughts, ensuring that everyone's perspectives are captured. Next, move on to grouping similar feedback together. This step helps to identify recurring themes or issues, making it easier to focus on the most significant points. Once the feedback is grouped, conduct a voting session where team members can prioritize the most critical issues. Finally, engage in a detailed group discussion on the top voted items. This is where the team can brainstorm solutions and create clear, actionable tasks. Ensure that each task is specific, achievable, and assigned to a responsible team member to drive improvements forward. Last tip. Always remember, retrospective meeting recap. Recapping your meeting not only helps you reflect on past discussions, but also ensures follow-up and action on the decisions made. Those are 4 tips to boost productivity in your retrospective meetings. I hope these help your team improve. Happy planning, and see you in our next video.